Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that once again, the price line has reached the resistance of this channel. This is, by the way, almost fourth day that the price line is trying to break out the resistance of this channel. Before that, we had a fake out here on 29th of July 2024. The price line after the breakout was again got rejected by this long-term resistance of $450 and re-entered the same channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout as well when the movement was quite squeezed here. And I was telling you that there is either now very high probability that the price and may soon break out the resistance of this wedge, and after the breakout, we can expect a very massive and long-term rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 716%. But after that, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverses shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 26th of March 2024, the price line is moving inside this very long down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce. Then we had another rejection, bounce, rejection. This all by the way of fake out. Then we had another bounce here on 5th of August. Then we got another rejection. And now the price line for the past 3 or 4 days is trying to break out the resistance of this channel, and slightly higher than this resistance we will have another quite long-term resistance of $350 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $350 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, almost as a resistance here, and before that it has been breaking as support here and back here, almost here as a resistance, and here as a resistance back in the month of August 2019, and here in the month of April 2019, this $350 level has been breaking as a resistance as well. And now it can again break as a strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, where we have this long-term resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And by the way, you can see that we also have a quite long-term up trend line support as well. And you can also observe that this time, before reaching the resistance of this channel, the price and once again tested this uptrend line support. Before that, we had a bounce here, and we had several touch points here, and then we had a very nice pump. And before that, we had another bounce here, and before that, it had been breaking other resistance here for several weeks, a month. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support, and still it is working as a support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, if the price line breaks out this channel, then it can make another powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance that starts from $700 and goes to $800. A complete resistance zone we have here. That was previously breaking other resistance on here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance. On this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that we had almost a more than 700% pump, but still the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.